Every fleet manager knows this moment. You receive a harsh driving alert on one of your vehicles. Now time to investigate. So you make the call. You ask the driver to explain, and your best people start the conversation already on defense. Now add what only SureCam gives you: video. Your driver isn't being reckless. Your driver just saved your company a claim. Without video, this is a blame conversation. With SureCam, it's a coaching moment. Defend your drivers. Dispute false claims. Coach with what actually happened, not what someone says happened. SureCam GPS shows you the alert. Video shows you the truth.